How to adjust color filter strength in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, open up the camera app, then tap on the photo tab. Next, we tap on the control button, then swipe across and tap on the filter button. In here, select a filter and then you tap on this icon. At the top here, make sure you select strength. So there are different items that you can select. So make sure you select strength. And then at the bottom here, you drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to change the color strength of the filter. Now if you mess it up, you can always tap on the reset button to reset it back to the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.